If you want to add a Calendly booking widget to your website, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to embed in Calendly step by step so you can place your scheduling page directly on your site and make it easier for visitors to book time with you. This is a simple process, and by the end, you'll know how to choose the right embed type, copy the code, and paste it into your website properly. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this one. Let's get started. First, log into your Calendly account. Once you're inside your dashboard, you'll want to head over to the scheduling section. This is where all of your event types are managed, so if you have multiple booking links set up, this is the place to find the one you want to embed. Now look through your event types and find the specific one you want to place on your website. It could be a one-on-one meeting, a consultation, a discovery call, or any other scheduling event you've already created in Calendly. Choosing the right event type is important because that's the booking page your visitors will see. After you've found the event, click the three-dot-more menu next to it. This menu opens additional options for that event type, including the ability to add it to a website. From the menu, select Add to Website. This is the option that generates the embed code for you. Calendly will then ask you to choose an embed type. One common option is Inline Embed, which displays the booking calendar directly on the page. Depending on your setup, you may also see other formats that fit different layouts, but for most people, Inline Embed is the easiest and most straightforward choice. Select the embed type that matches your website design and how you want the calendar to appear. Once you've selected the embed style, click Continue. Calendly will generate the code for that specific embed. This code is what you'll use to place the scheduling calendar inside your website. Next, click Copy Code. This copies the embed code to your clipboard so you can paste it wherever your website allows custom HTML or code insertion. If you're using a website builder, this might be in an HTML block, a custom code area, or a page section that accepts scripts. Now go to your website and paste the embed code into the HTML or custom code section. After saving or publishing your changes, the Calendly scheduler should appear on your site. This makes it much easier for people to book appointments without leaving your page, which can help improve conversions and create a smoother user experience. If the embed doesn't appear right away, double check that you pasted the full code and placed it in the correct section of your website. Sometimes a page builder may require you to use a specific embed block or refresh the page before the calendar becomes visible. Once everything is set, test the page to make sure your Calendly booking widget loads correctly. And that's it. You now know how to embed in Calendly and add your scheduling page to a website in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more practical tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.